All right, gang, today we got the Bruntmor Enameled cast iron Dutch oven. This is a 3.8 quart casserole dish. It is actually enameled cast iron. So as you can see on the inside here, this dish is actually completely cast iron, and then they have an enamel coating on both the outside and inside. And we recently picked this up and have absolutely fallen in love with these dishes. They are strong, they're solid, they're heavy. If you've never used cast iron before, one of the best parts about it is if you use it properly, it prevents hot spot, no matter how you're heating this up, whether it's oven, whether it's stovetop or an induction. The cast iron actually spreads out the heat as it warms up, leaving you without hot spots in here while you cook. This one's great for sauteing vegetables, those kinds of things, and it looks great. The enamel on these actually assists in the cleaning process and make sure it continues to be a non-stick and a long-term dish. And man, the coloring of it is just so beautiful. That's one of the things we fell in love with. On this one in particular, this is the marine blue. These are the ones that we're trying to get. I asked my wife to describe this for me. She says it's ombre, which I think means gradient. So you've got this beautiful lighter blue to darker blue color throughout this whole dish. Overall, man, we really love these. We're picking up an entire set of these in different sizes in this color to keep at our house. If you're looking for a good enameled cast iron scent, man, the Bruntmors are the way to go. Check them out. Tons of colors. You're gonna find one you like.